Good morning, students. My name is Madhula Singh. Today I am going to start my topic, an introduction to resources.
Chapter number 1, an introduction to resources. Anything on the earth that is necessary for the survival of human beings and satisfies human needs is called a resource. Early humans were unaware of the utility of these natural resources. Thus, they were fully dependent upon the environment for their needs. With the passage of time, humans developed different techniques to convert these natural resources into useful articles that could satisfy their every need. Now, as technology is developing at a faster rate, human beings are using newer methods to convert this into useful articles that could satisfy their every need.
जैसा कि आप इस चार्ट में देख रहे हैं, रिसोर्सेज, how many types of resources? Natural resources, man-made resources, and human resources. And natural resources are of two types: non-renewable resources, minerals, fuels; renewable resources, wind, solar energy, water, etc. So, recyclable, non-renewable minerals, fuels. And non-renewable resources are of two types: recyclable, non-recyclable. Recyclable, for example, gold, silver, etc. Non-recyclable resources, coal, petroleum, and natural gases. And renewable resources like wind, solar energy are of two types: wind, water, etc. Flora and fauna.
Now, as technology is developing at a faster rate, human beings are using newer methods to conserve available resources and to minimize wastage. We should understand that although nature's gifts are endless, we need to use them carefully so that they are not destroyed forever. Types of resources. Our beautiful earth is full of resources. They are generally classified into three types: natural, man-made, and human.
As you can see, the resources are of three types: natural resources, man-made resources, and human resources.
Natural resources. Natural substances found on the earth that are used without much alteration are called natural resources.
Natural substances found on the earth that are used without much alteration are called natural resources, like forest, flowers, land, sun, and land, air, water are all of come into category in this category.
These are gifts of nature.
We can say these
Water,
are gifts of nature.
air, soil, minerals, and natural vegetation are all natural resources. Some of these resources can be used directly. For example, water, air, and fruits can be used directly, while minerals have to be separated from their ores. We get petrol, diesel, and wax from crude petroleum after refining. So we can say that most natural resources provide us with raw materials, and we have to process them into useful products that are fit for human consumption. We can further classify natural resources on the basis of their origin, development, renewability, and distribution. Classification based on origin. On the basis of origin, we can classify natural resources into two categories: biotic and abiotic.
On the basis of origin, we can classify natural resources into two categories: abiotic and biotic. abiotic resources and biotic resources.
Biotic resources are derived from living organisms. They include plants such as cereal crops, fruits and vegetables. Animals, microorganisms and human beings also belong to this category. Most of the biotic resources have the capacity to reproduce if the environmental conditions are favorable.
Biotic resources are derived from living organisms. They include plants such as cereal crops, fruits and vegetables. Animals, microorganisms and human beings also belong to this category.
Abiotic resources are found from physical or non-living environment. They include air, water, land and minerals. Some of these resources can be exhausted by excessive use because they are available in limited quantity in nature. Their total reserve cannot be increased by human efforts. These resources are in great demand for the development of industries. Classification based on development. Actual or developed resources are those resources whose total quantity and quality are presently known and which are already being used by human beings. Resources like gold, petroleum and uranium come in this category.
On the basis of classification, we can on the basis of development, we can classify resources into two types: actual resources and potential resources.
Some factors that lead to the development of these resources are the needs of the people, technology and economic usefulness. Potential resources are those resources whose total available quantity is not known at present. These resources are around us but are not fully used. They can be used in future. For example, Africa has a number of waterfalls which may be used in future to generate hydroelectricity, but at present they have not been fully utilized. Therefore, these waterfalls are a potential resource for Africa. Potential resources need detailed surveys to estimate their quantity and quality. Classification based on renewability. Renewable or inexhaustible resources have the capacity to reproduce, regenerate or renew by natural processes within a short span of time. Air, water, solar energy.
Classification based on renewability are of two types: renewable or inexhaustible resources and non-renewable resources.
Animals, plants and human beings are the best examples of such resources. Some of these resources are unlimited, like sunlight, water and wind. Wonderful to know, Iceland and Norway are the two countries of the world which
And we can classify resources on the basis of their distribution are of two types: ubiquitous resources and localized resources. Ubiquitous resources are found everywhere, for example air, wind and water and sunlight. Localized resources like gold, silver, ये इस तरह के जो गोल्ड है, सिल्वर है, इस तरह के रिसोर्सेज जो हैं वो इस पर्टिकुलर रीजन में ही पाए जाते हैं.
Use 100% electricity through renewable resources. Non-renewable or exhaustible resources are available only in fixed amounts. They do not get replenished by natural processes. Example, coal, natural gas, petroleum and minerals like iron and copper. With the help of technology, we can recycle some of the minerals like gold, silver and iron. But fossil fuels cannot be recycled yet. Classification based on distribution. The resources are not equally distributed all over the earth. So on the basis of their distribution, they can be classified into two types: ubiquitous and localized. Ubiquitous resources are found everywhere. For example, air, wind, and sunlight. Localized resources are found at certain places. For example, gold, silver, copper, coal, and iron. Many physical factors like soil, climate, and altitude are responsible for the distribution of natural resources. There is an unequal distribution of resources because these factors differ so much all over the earth. Human-made resources, as the name suggests.
तो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम लोगों ने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज के बारे में पढ़ा और इसके बाद जो हम अभी ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे।